Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule your Instagram posts directly from your PC using Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Meta Business Suite website. If you haven't connected your Instagram account before, you'll need to do that first. Click on Connect Instagram and follow the prompts to log into your account. Click Log into Instagram, then continue through the steps. You may be asked to select the type of account you have, business or creator. Choose the one that fits you best and click Next. Now select your category, click Done, and then click Continue to move forward. And log into your Instagram account one more time to complete the connection. Once that's done, your Instagram account is now linked to Meta Business Suite. Now click on Create Post. If it asks you to confirm your Facebook connection, just click Continue and Confirm Connection. Log in again if needed, and once you're in, click Create Post once more. Important, make sure to deselect Facebook if you only want to post on Instagram. Now go ahead and upload your image or video, write your caption, set your hashtags, choose the date and time you want the post to go live. When everything looks good, click on Schedule, and you're done. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you schedule your Instagram posts easily from your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful content.